Have you ever wondered why thousands of investors continue buying SCHD, even when flashy technology stocks dominate the headlines? Here's something that might surprise you. SCHD isn't trying to be the fastest growing ETF. It isn't chasing the hottest trends or the newest AI company. Yet, year after year, it continues to attract billions of dollars from investors. And here's the interesting part. The real reason may not be the dividend yield at all. It comes down to one overlooked characteristic that many investors completely miss. We'll reveal that later in the video because understanding it could completely change how you think about long-term investing. If you enjoy straightforward investing content without the hype, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments, do you currently own SCHD, or are you thinking about buying it? Before we begin, a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial, legal, tax, or professional investment advice. Always conduct your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making investment decisions. Now, let's dive in. One of the biggest reasons SCHD keeps winning over investors is surprisingly simple. It focuses on quality before quantity. Many dividend ETFs simply buy companies that pay high dividends. That sounds great until you realize that a high dividend isn't always a good thing. Sometimes, companies offer unusually high yields because their stock prices have fallen dramatically or because their businesses are struggling. SCHD takes a different approach. Instead of rewarding the highest dividend yields, it emphasizes companies with strong financial fundamentals. It screens for businesses with consistent dividend payments, healthy cash flow, solid returns on equity, and sustainable profitability. In other words, SCHD doesn't just ask, who pays the biggest dividend? It asks, who is most likely to keep paying and growing that dividend for years to come? That subtle difference is one of the biggest reasons investors continue trusting the fund. Another reason SCHD has built such a loyal following is its balance between income and growth. Some investors mistakenly believe dividend investing means sacrificing long-term returns. History has shown that isn't always true. Companies capable of increasing their dividends often have stable earnings, disciplined management, and durable competitive advantages. Those qualities can support both rising income and capital appreciation over long periods. Instead of viewing dividends and growth as opposites, SCHD demonstrates that the two can complement each other. For many investors, that's exactly what makes the ETF attractive. Here's another point that rarely gets discussed. SCHD can actually make it psychologically easier to stay invested during market downturns. Market corrections test every investor. Watching a portfolio lose value can tempt people to panic and sell. But receiving regular dividend payments, even when prices are falling, can change your mindset. Instead of focusing solely on declining share prices, investors may begin paying attention to the growing stream of cash their investments generate. That shift in perspective can encourage patience, which is often one of the most valuable traits an investor can develop. Sometimes, the greatest advantage isn't earning an extra 1 or 2%. It's simply avoiding emotional investing mistakes. If you're finding value so far, hit the like button, it really helps the channel reach more investors. And while you're at it, comment below with your investing strategy. Are you focused on dividends, growth, or a combination of both? Now let's talk about something many investors overlook. SCHD isn't designed to outperform every single year. That's actually part of its strength. During periods when speculative growth stocks soar, SCHD may lag behind. Some investors become impatient and switch strategies at exactly the wrong time. Then, when markets become more volatile, those same investors often discover why diversification and quality matter. Successful investing isn't about owning whichever ETF performed best last quarter. It's about owning investments you can confidently hold through multiple market cycles. SCHD fits that role remarkably well for many long-term investors. Now let's reveal the insight we mentioned at the beginning. The biggest reason SCHD continues winning over investors may not be its dividend yield. It may be its ability to help investors stay invested. Think about it. Even the best investment strategy fails if you abandon it during every market correction. Many investors underestimate how difficult it is to hold volatile investments for decades. SCHD's combination of established companies, consistent dividend income, and disciplined portfolio construction can make it easier for investors to stick with their plan. And consistency often beats constantly chasing the next hot investment. This isn't a feature you'll find on a fact sheet. It's a behavioral advantage. And behavioral advantages often produce better long-term outcomes than trying to predict tomorrow's biggest winner. There's also another practical lesson here. Many investors spend countless hours searching for the perfect ETF. But the perfect ETF probably doesn't exist. The better question is this: which investment strategy will you actually follow for the next 10, 20, or even 30 years? If an ETF helps you remain disciplined, continue investing through downturns, and avoid emotional decisions, its real value may extend far beyond its published performance statistics. That's one reason SCHD continues earning the confidence of long-term investors. Not because it's exciting. Not because it's trendy. But because it's dependable. Of course, SCHD isn't suitable for everyone. Younger investors with a higher risk tolerance may prefer ETFs focused more heavily on growth. Others may choose to combine SCHD with broad market or growth-focused ETFs to create a more balanced portfolio. The key isn't copying someone else's portfolio. The key is building one that matches your financial goals, time horizon, and comfort with market volatility. That's ultimately what successful investing is all about. As we wrap up, here's the biggest takeaway. SCHD keeps winning over investors because it isn't chasing headlines. It focuses on financially strong companies, emphasizes sustainable dividend growth, encourages long-term discipline, and offers a strategy many investors find easier to stick with over time. Sometimes, boring really is beautiful. Especially when it comes to building wealth over decades. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who's building a long-term investment portfolio. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe SCHD deserves a place in a diversified portfolio, or do you think another ETF offers a better long-term opportunity? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.